In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move contacts in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through using the built-in mass transfer tool so you can quickly reassign contact ownership without creating confusion for your team. Before we start, a quick note: depending on your role, you may need the right permissions to transfer records. If you don't see the options I mentioned, check with your CRM administrator. Begin by heading to crm.zoho.com. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen and open the sales section. This is where Zoho groups core records like leads, accounts, deals, and of course contacts. Next, select contacts. This brings you to the full list of contact records that your role allows you to view. At the top right of the contacts page, click the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options or Kebab menu. From there, choose Mass Transfer. This opens a focused panel designed specifically for moving ownership of multiple contacts at once. In the Mass Transfer screen, you'll see fields for Transfer From and Transfer To. Transfer From is the current owner whose contacts you want to move. Transfer To is the new owner who should receive them. Setting these accurately is crucial because ownership affects things like who gets activity reminders, who appears as the primary owner in reports, and which sharing rules apply. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct users. Next, define your criteria. This is how you narrow down exactly which contacts will be affected. You can filter by fields such as contact status, territory, created time, or any other fields your organization uses. Keep the criteria as specific as possible to avoid moving records you didn't intend to change. If you're transitioning a particular segment, say a region or a specific life cycle stage, reflect that clearly in the criteria. When your selections look good, click Search. Zoho will return a list of contacts that match your criteria and are owned by the user in the Transfer From field. Use this preview to double-check volume and relevance. If anything seems off, too many records, too few, or the wrong segment, adjust your criteria and search again until the results align with your plan. A few tips as you work. Consider how this transfer impacts any open tasks or follow-ups tied to those contacts, and communicate timing to the receiving owner so nothing slips through the cracks. It's also smart to note the date of the move for reporting consistency. That's it. Using the Mass Transfer tool keeps your data tidy and your team aligned when responsibilities change. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you follow along.